Y'all thought I was sleeping. Sorry, I don't snore. I'm not poor. Oh my God, just gonna put on my, just gonna get ready for the day. Put on my slippers. This year's Christmas haul was an absolute success, y'all. Like, I got so many delicious, wonderful things. I'm so grateful this year. Santa was good to you, girl, Patty. And Betsy, about 2 days before Christmas, I was walking through Williams-Sonoma, and I was thinking to myself, I need some more, like, I need to expand my gluten-free horizon. Like, I'm running out of recipes that are really, like, making my saliva go. So I literally was thinking that in Williams-Sonoma. Shut up, Remington! But anyway, Betsy gave me this. If that's not what best friends do, is like telepathically know that I'm wanting to expand my gluten-free horizon, then I don't know what best friends are. So you know what? I'm just so thankful today. Peace and love. Peace and love, baby. Look at this. Look at this. Look at my getup. Come at me, Dilfs. Come at me.